In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize typography in your Sellfy store. Thoughtful typography is one of the quickest ways to make your storefront look polished, on-brand, and easy to read. I'll walk you through the exact path to update your fonts, explain what each choice does, and share a few practical tips so you can publish confidently. Start by opening your Sellfy dashboard. From there, go to Store Settings and select Customize Store. This opens the Visual Customizer, where you can adjust the look and feel of your storefront and preview changes as you go, so you can experiment without guessing how it will appear to customers. Inside the Customizer, head to Store Style and choose Typography. This is the central place where you'll control how your text looks across the store. You'll see built-in font options for headings and for your main text. Headings typically include titles, product names, and section headers. Your main text, often called body text, covers descriptions, details, and anything customers read at length. Pick a heading font that reflects your brand's personality while staying legible. A bold, distinctive heading can create hierarchy and guide the eye, but avoid overly decorative styles that might be hard to read at smaller sizes. For your main text, prioritize clarity and comfort. A clean, simple font usually works best for paragraphs, product descriptions, and policies. Aim for a balanced pair, something expressive for headings and something highly readable for body text. If you're unsure, try a few combinations and watch how the overall page tone changes in the preview. As you test options, consider consistency. Using too many contrasting styles can feel chaotic, while a thoughtful pairing creates a cohesive experience. Also think about your audience. If your store serves multiple languages or uses special characters, choose fonts known for broad character support to avoid missing glyphs. Once you're happy with your selections, it's time to save. Click Save Draft if you want to keep the changes privately while you review them or gather feedback. This is ideal if you're still comparing options. When you're ready to make the new typography live on your storefront, click Publish. Publishing applies your changes immediately, so visitors will see the updated fonts right away. That's the full process. Open your dashboard, go to Store Settings and Customize Store, then Store Style and Typography, choose your heading and body fonts, and save your work. You can always return to the same place to tweak and refine as your brand evolves. Thanks for watching, and enjoy giving your Sellfy store a clean, readable, and on-brand look with just a few thoughtful font choices.